Welcome to PingPolls, a form builder that lets you create conversational forms that truly feel natural. I'm Sarah, and I'm here to show you how to get started. First things first, get in there instantly with Google or GitHub. No complicated setups. We promote maximum efficiency here. Welcome to the studio. See that box? It looks like a prompt field for a reason, because it is. Just tell the AI what you need. Say, customer feedback for my new pizza place. Or just dump your list of questions in there. Hit submit. Boom! The AI builds the structure immediately. You just saved yourself 20 minutes. Want to tweak it? Click it. Type what you want. Drag it around. What you see is what your respondents will get, a form that feels like a real conversation. And if you don't feel like manually editing your form, just type it out. Go to the bottom bar. Type a command like @question number, make it friendlier. The AI rewrites it instantly. Pop the hood with the setup button. You have 3 tabs. Theme lets you make your form look sharper or more casual. Settings handles the boring stuff like passwords or timers. The finish page is the finale. Redirect them to your site or use the AI to give them a personalized result based on their answers. You can even build a personality test with specific outcomes. Once you're done, close the sheet and hit publish to make your form live. You can manage all your forms here. Simply click one to view the results live. And that's how you get started with PingPolls. Build your first real conversational form today at pingpolls.com.